blue cheese, and ranch. Homemade dressings, or dips, whatever you want to call them.
I'm going to walk you through blue cheese dressing for the wings. I'm going to use buttermilk, just 1/3 of a cup. Okay. Mayonnaise. 1/2 cup mayonnaise, so we'll do 3 tablespoons. Okay. And then I have to get another spoon, sorry. Sour cream, same 1/2 cup as the mayonnaise, so we'll do 3 tablespoons. And then this is like 1/2 cup of blue cheese crumbles. Just gonna some vinegar, red wine vinegar, salt and pepper to season. And then whisk. And don't make a mess. Right? You're being so quiet back there.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm just learning from you.
Oh.
So I'm gonna make the lesser of the two when it comes to wings. In my opinion, you gotta go blue cheese, never ranch. Especially for the people from Buffalo, New York. I think if you ask for ranch, you'll probably get kicked out of the restaurant. But anyways, we're gonna make homemade ranch. And it's just parsley, some chives, some dill, a little mayonnaise, some sour cream, a little salt and pepper, and a little bit of white distilled vinegar. We're just gonna chop over herbs, a little salt and pepper. Very simple. I mean, I think the only thing more simple would be to get the Hidden Valley Ranch packet and mix it on up. But it's not complicated. You can make this at home, super easy. I'm not a ranch person for my wings.
I like blue cheese.
Ranch for me is like doing pizza.
Yeah, I like ranch on pizza and fries.
So now we're going to take 1/2 cup of mayo and 1/2 cup of sour cream. And then about an ounce vinegar. Pepper. Salt. Our herbs. Mix it on up. You can make it as thick or as runny as you want it. It's up to you. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you click right here. And next time, Zandra's gonna eat ×5 noodles.
Maybe.
Zandra doesn't know what ×5 noodles are.
Apparently they're the spicy ones. Hot, kill your mouth noodles.
It's samyang. Samyang noodles. I think they're Korean noodles. They have different levels and it goes up to ×5. And I had ×2, I can barely